Globaliptrust presents the Urmo. Meet the Urmo, a lightweight self-balancing e-scooter that folds into the size of a briefcase. This super compact and futuristic e-scooter was developed by former Tesla and BMW engineers. The Urmo is built to rival the Segway. It is equipped with a patent-pending folding mechanism that helps it fold into the size of a briefcase in just 2 seconds. You can operate the Urmo single-handedly and carry your coffee cup or laptop with the other hand. Given its compact size and foldability, it can be carried anywhere. The Urmo comes with 14-inch tubeless tires and navigates through any surface, including cobblestone streets and pathways. The rider can also easily overcome obstacles with up to 6 centimeters of height. It is crafted with carbon fiber and aluminium, which makes it light, but at the same time, durable and strong. It runs at 15 kilometers per hour and has a range of 20 kilometers and charges in just 2 hours from a household power outlet. It can hold up to 100 kilograms of weight. The Urmo can also be fitted with a removable handlebar for added balance. Some regions require a handlebar for approval. It also comes with an electronic lock system through a mobile app. For more information on the Urmo, visit myurmo.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.